Today we're checking out the Gravastar 65-watt fast charger for charging your phone or Bluetooth speakers. And because this plugs directly into the wall, if we want it as a desk decoration or to have it close by, since it is got a nice aesthetic to it, they optionally sell a charging base for it that it can sit on that then plugs into the wall through a longer cord. So let's take a look at these. We're unboxing them for the very first time. And let's see what we get. Now somehow, someway, aha, there's tape on the bottom. So let's get the tape removed. Oh, there he is. All right, that's a nice packing job here. Let's see. Ha! There he is right there. And I guess his legs come out. Does his feet turn? No? Feet must bend somehow. Other leg. Don't go any further. They don't bend in any way. And then here we've got the plug. That would plug directly into the wall. That folds out. Let's see how that could maybe get in the way. Let's see. Aha, okay. And then the charging ports are right here with two USB-Cs. Right here, and a type A right there. And I'm guessing, oh, I don't know what those do. And then inside we have, oh, I see, that's where his ears go. Which apparently the bent side, according to the picture, goes on right there like that. And it's all just decorative. All right, these don't actually do anything. They're just there for looks, much like me. And then you can bend down like that. And then if you fold up the charger, if you just want them on your desk, you can set them up like that. Or I guess you can set them up like that. And then inside, we have just a small bit of documentation, and that's it. That's all that's in the box. And then over here, this is the optional charging base, because let's face it, that's a long way to go to an outlet to plug this guy in. And you know, he's kind of cool, so why would you want to hide him? Checking to see if there's any plastic on there. No, everything's ready to roll right out of the package. I'm fascinated with these feet. Just not sure. They only move in two positions there. Okay, just verifying. Let's get this unboxed. And that's in the package like this. Pull that out. Get a long extension cord here. And the idea here is that you would have this sitting on your desk and run it into the wall somewhere. And then this little guy here will sit right on top of here, I suppose like that. And then his feet, I guess his feet are gonna have to come up like this, and then he can sit flat. And then it looks like there's a master on off. I guess if you want to shut this off for any reason, you can adjust his ears. You don't see any other buttons or anything on here. So let's plug it in and see what he does. Okay, we got him plugged in. Let's turn him on. Blue lights come on. He's lit up. Okay, let's try it out. Plug it in here. And we'll plug it in here. See what happens. I'd say it's working. Kind of covering up his face there. Does face change when we plug in? We unplug. What does he do? Anything? Plug in here. I think the face changes when it's charged. I'm not sure though. But there he is. Really nice double feature in the sense that, you know, you've got a decorative item on your desk that also serves a functional purpose, and it can charge 2 USB Type-C devices and a USB Type-A device all at the same time. So there you go. That is the there you go. That is the Gravastar USB 65 watt. All right, so there you go. That's the Gravastar 65 watt USB fast charger, along with the optional charging station. That's what they call that.